Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I teach you the second part of Amazon FBA. If you watched the first video, continue to this. And if you not watch first video, the links is in description. Let's start part 2 video. Continuing to first video. We create RFQ mean. Request for quotation. Mail to supplier. Part of RFQ. What will be included in? Compostable bags. 1. Green color. 2. Thickness should be 20 microns. 3. Should not have handles. 4. Length should be for inch into 7 inch. Special consideration areas. 1. Product should be of high quality. Please provide the following. 1. Photo, specifications and the XW quotation. 2. Are you a manufacturer or trading company? 3. What is the lead time for samples and trial order? 4. Can we add our logo to this item? If so, where can the logo be added? 5. Do you offer custom packaging? 6. Milk and price. 7. What is your packaging style? Roll or box? We kindly await and appreciate your reply. Thank you. Once you receive the quotes, you will compare which one is providing good quality at less price and negotiate with them. Calculate profit margin. Now you need to calculate the profit margin with Amazon Profit Calculator by visiting. Go to the link showing down. For revenue calculator, put your competitor's product. Then put product cost which you will give to supplier. Then put shipping to Amazon cost and click on calculate. It will automatically calculate your profit percentage and amount. If you get more than 25% profit by selling with the lowest price on Amazon, it means you have a good product. And now, how to order product sample. Order your competitors' samples and also your supplier sample and evaluate. Then what's the difference between them and how you can add more quality to the product and make it better than your competitors. Order inventory and create dummy listing. When you complete all the necessary things, it is the time to order inventory from the supplier and create a dummy listing in your account. Dummy listing will be explained in listing module. You need to order 2 months inventory, because if you order 1 month inventory and it finishes, then you will lose your ranking because it takes time to prepare inventory and then ship it to Amazon warehouse from supplier. You should negotiate well with the suppliers for good price. You can also find freight forwarder on Alibaba and ask them for charges. It's upon you to request inventory by air, train or by ocean. Charges are high for by air, but it takes less time to reach, while ocean charges are less but it takes more time. It is easy to understand. Amazon Seller Central. We will go through the Amazon Seller Central. I will give you every minute detail about the major things in Amazon. After sign up on Amazon, you can also visit their seller university available in Seller Central to understand how does it work. But I will also try to teach you in detail. After creating your account in Amazon, you'll get your Seller Central. It will look like this. Now, I am going to tell you about all these tabs, about their functions and why they are important. News section. You see this news section on interface. It basically shows you everything that takes place within the Amazon community, like any tax, changes, etc. Adding a product. You can add a product or complete a draft which you might don't complete in first flow by clicking on catalog. It will show you to things and drop down. Add a product and complete your drafts. After clicking on add a product, you'll get something like shown in the picture below. It shows a blank where you can put ASIN, ISBN or UPC of a product which you want to sell and is already listed on Amazon. But we are doing place, so you need to click on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon, or you can also upload products in bulk. How to create listing. Log into Seller Central. Go Inventory tab. Click on Add a Product. If you want to add an existing product, then search the product or ASIN and add accordingly on an existing listing. Click on Create a new listing. Select the category of your product from the given categories and subcategories. We can also search the category. After selecting the category, a new panel will open according to the selected category. Then enter the product ID type e.g. CHIN, UPC, ISBN, etc. Mostly we use UPC, Universal Product Code. For private labels, enter product name, the brand name, and manufacturer. Go to the Variation tab and select the variation theme. The type of variation we want, e.g. color, size, etc. and add variations according to the selected theme. Then fill in the details for each variation, i.e. seller, SKU, product ID, condition, price, and quantity. If we don't have variations, then all these details will be in the Offer tab. In the Offers tab, we can choose shipping template, your price, cost of our product, sale price, altered price during the sale period, sale start date, sale end date, condition, condition note, quantity, manufacturer price, the price mentioned by the manufacturer of the product. Then comes the Image tab. We can add up to 10 images. One of them will be the main image. All products should fill 85% or more of the image frame. Some important things. On Amazon, don't ever wish a review from the buyer. It's better to do giveaways in morning or evening US time. Don't do all the giveaways on a single day. You don't want your client to be bankrupt. It's recommended using an image with a size of 1200-628 in ads. Tell your buyer to like, comment, and share your post in order to get some social proof to represent your credibility. You can also run post engagement campaigns to get some social proof. Always keep 2 to 3 pages with you as a backup. In case your page is blocked by Facebook, you don't want to face any issue in between sleep eating and mind-blowing launches. Don't forget to take some traffic to your listing from different means, like Pinterest ads, Google ads, or influencer ads during giveaways. To reduce the risk of keyword penalization by Amazon, the traffic will prove Amazon low conversion rates so that you can stay on the safe side. If your rank is not improving after continuous giveaways for 2 to 3 days, then your keyword might have gotten penalized. In this case, stop doing giveaways immediately and focus on aggressive PPC. Then always do VVROs with giveaways for better results and BSR improvements. Always do giveaways on highly relevant keywords only. Giveaway means giving your product to your customer for free to increase your ranking and build sales history. And now, what is PPC? Mean pay per click on Amazon. Before going deep into learning how to make PPC campaigns and how they work, let's discuss some general terms. Impressions. When your ad is running on Amazon and a buyer comes and sees your ad, it's called an impression. Click. When a customer comes and clicks your ad on Amazon. CPC, cost per click, it's the amount you pay to Amazon when someone clicks on your ad. ACOS, it is simply how much you spend to earn $1 on Amazon. If your ACOS is lower than 30%, it means it is good. Center, click-through rate is the ratio of the customers that click on your ad to the number of times it is shown. CVR, Amazon conversion rate, is the percentage of how many customers click on your ad and also complete specific action like buying items from you. Amazon coupons. It is percentage or price off which you provide to your customers so they can buy from you, thinking that are getting off on the product. When you send your product link to an influencer, give coupons to people so it will interest them to buy from you. 1. Go to advertising and then select coupons. 2. Click create a new coupon on the dashboard. 3. You can choose to create one coupon at a time or create coupons in bulk by using a spreadsheet. 4. Using the menu on the left-hand side, search for the products you want to add to the Coupon and click Add to Coupon. Final words. Don't think of becoming rich in one night. If you think that you can make money from FBA place in one night, then you don't need to start this business, as it is a business where we make a flippable asset and it cannot be created in one night. You need to be super patient, because if you go with the wrong product, you won't be able to make profits and will lose all your money. If you hunt a product and don't check patents, then you might get infringement and lose your listing. If you don't negotiate well with the supplier, you might don't attain your desired profit, and so on. So for place, you need to show calm behavior, as it's a business which cannot be built in one night. It takes months. Thanks for watching, and keep learning before starting Amazon FBA.